In this video, I'll show you how to edit your project in Lovable AI. There are two main ways to do this, so let me walk you through both of them. The first way is visual editing. This is the best option for quick design changes like updating text, colors, or layout. The best part is it does not use any AI credits. To use it, click the Visual Edits button in the prompt box. Then click on any element in the live preview that you want to change. On the left-hand panel, you can adjust the font size, colors, margins, padding, and alignment. Once you are done, click Save to apply your changes. The second way is chat-based editing. This is the best option when you want to add new features or make more complex changes to your project. Just type what you want in the chat box using plain language. For example, you could type something like, "Add a login button that redirects to the dashboard," and the AI will handle it for you. If you want the AI to make changes to a specific file, just mention the file name in your prompt. This helps the AI target exactly the right area of your project. If the AI makes a mistake or you are not happy with the result, you can use the version history feature to go back to a previous version of your project. It works just like version history in Google Docs. That is how you do it.